Hi there guys and girls, so in today's lesson I've got a really quick pattern that's going to improve your chops. Let's get into it. Right then, so everything these days seems to be about chops, how fast you can play, the different patterns that you can do. I'm not a great lover of it. I prefer just playing with the groove, sticking to playing for the song basically, not just going mad at every opportunity you get. But that being said, I do have some good patterns that I want to share with you. This one in particular I'm going to share today, I think will help a lot. So yeah, let's all improve our chops. Okay then, so this basic pattern, I'll pop the sticking down below. As with all chops, we'll learn it basically between the bass and the snare. And then you can orchestrate it around the kit however you choose to. So you can choose where you put the notes, but for this demonstration, I'm going to keep it on the snare and the bass, okay? So basically what we have is, it's 16th note triplets to begin with, or you can play it as 32nd note triplets, depending on how you want to do it and how fast you want to move it around the kit, how slow the song is. I recommend it. It probably works really well with songs around the 90 beats per minute mark. So I'll go through it nice and slow for you, and then we'll go from there, okay? So the first part of the pattern is a 4-note structure, and all it is right, left, right, kick. Right, left, right, kick. Second part of the pattern is right, left, right, kick, kick. So right, left, right, kick, kick. And now we're just going to put those two, the 4-note phrase and the 5-note phrase, 5-note phrase together.
How many now?
7.
Aha!
5-note phrase together, and you end up with this. Yeah? Okay, so right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, kick. Okay, so work with that for a little bit, get used to the sticking and the foot pattern. When some people first start doing this, they find it hard to put the bass drum in, just because they're not used to putting bass with fills. So once again, nice and slow, right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, kick. And you want to kind of try and keep that triplety feel to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep just looping now that section. Right, left, right, kick. Okay. Now, as you can hear, when I sped it up a little bit and kept it tripletized, by having the 2 bass drums on the second part of the pattern, when you come back around to play it the next time, it shifts the snare drum over a beat. So you get that nice texture there, that difference in the sound for the second measure. And also, as you start moving around the kit, you'll really start to hear that. So once again, I'll play it faster for you. Okay, we'll go a little bit quicker. I'm not too warmed up this morning. It is like 5:30 in the morning, recording this quite early. So we go. Okay, so a little bit quicker. So the final part of the pattern is just the first 6 notes in the phrase again. So right, left, right, kick, right, left. And that brings you nicely back to your right to bring you back into the fill, to bring you back into your beat, okay? So now I'm going to play the whole fill through once, nice and slow. Right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, kick, right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, kick, right, left, right, kick, right, left. And that brings you back into your beat, okay? So as I said, it will take a bit of time to get this. It is quite a long pattern. As with all the chops and stuff, this is what it generally is, just smaller patterns. I mean, it's just a 4 and a 5 cut up with a 6 stuck on the end. And the 6 is just basically part of the group of 4 and the group of 5. But once you get the pattern down and used to playing it, you pick the speed up quite quickly. Okay, so a little bit quicker. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that would be the 1 coming back in again. So one more time. Okay, a little bit quicker. And one more time for you guys. Okay, so that's basically the whole pattern for today. If you like the lesson, if you like the pattern, please like and subscribe. If you've got any lessons that you would like, please add in the description down below. Tell me what you think about chops, what you think about this new phenomenon that seems to have taken over the drumming world. Please leave a note down below on what your thoughts are, whether you like them, whether you don't. There is a link in the description also down below to buy me a coffee if you'd like to help support the channel, or just treat me to a coffee. I love coffee. Costa's probably my favourite. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you again soon.